What is succulents? Succulents are a group of plants characterized by their ability to store water in their leaves, stems, or roots. The term succulent is derived from the Latin word succus, which means juice or sap, highlighting the plant's capacity to retain water. Succulents come from various plant families and they exhibit a wide range of shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. Some well-known families of succulents include Aloe, Crassulaceae, which includes jade plants and echeverias, Cactaceae, which includes cacti, and Euphorbiaceae. Due to their water-storing capabilities, succulents have developed specific features. Here are their 4 reasons why succulents set them apart from other plants. Number 1. Fleshy leaves or stems. Many succulents have thick, fleshy leaves or stems that can store water. These structures are capable of swelling when water is available and shrinking as water is used. Number 2. Reduced leaf surface. Some succulents have reduced leaf surface to minimize water loss to transpiration. Number 3. Calm photosynthesis. Many succulents use a specialized form of photosynthesis called Crassulacean acid metabolism. This allows them to open their stomata or the tiny pores on leaves at night to absorb carbon dioxide and minimize water loss during the day. Number 4. Root adaptations. Some succulents have adapted their root systems to be shallow and wide-spreading, allowing them to quickly absorb water from rainfall or dew. Succulents are popular for various reasons, including their unique appearance, ease of care, and stability for indoor and outdoor environments. They are often used in decorative plant arrangements, gardens, and landscaping projects. And that's it for today, guys. If you want to watch more of this kind of content, please subscribe, click the like button, share, and comment below on what information you need to know about succulents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.